Hi, my name is Braulio Costa Rodriguez. I studied at the Simon Bolivar of the Education Institutional in the city of Duitama, Boyacá. I really liked playing soccer. I generally dressed in the fashion of the time, nothing extravagant. I was a well-behaved young man and nothing different from my simple social status. I would like to talk to you about how to take care of the environment for the good of all below, to prevent environment pollution. Each and every person in the world must take action. We can all contribute with a grain of sand by things doing things like not cutting down trees, not throwing garbage on the ground, recycling plastic bags, reducing rainwater, not burning forests. This in order to take care of our planet and so that we do not have problems for ourselves or future generations due to climate change. Thank you.